Hey everyone! Every year our kids really like to make new ornaments. We've made some in the past and put them on our channel, like this one right here, and we also did these memory ornaments right here. Today we're going to do one that's kind of super fun. I've been wanting to do this for a while. It's not quite the way that I've seen some DIYs to do them because we couldn't find everything we wanted to do them, but we're going to make snow globe ornaments today. Almost all of these supplies you can purchase at your local Dollar Tree or Hobby Lobby or places like that. The first thing you're going to need, this is the first year I've seen them at Hobby Lobby, is you need clear ornaments. These are really big plastic ones. I like plastic ones for kids crafts because if they accidentally drop it, there's no harm done. We have used glass ones before. Again, I will try to link the other ornaments we've made up above through the course of the video. But we have 3 of them, one for each of the kids. I did not get one for myself this year, which I was fine with. We also picked up 1 bag of the faux snow. This is more like the styrofoam style. Then there's the faux snow that's more like the glittery kind, and I thought mixing these two would give it a nice texture. We're going to try to see if our largest filter or funnel will fit inside of the ornament. We're also going to use a metal chopstick to help guide the snow into the ornament, and to decorate the outside. Since we couldn't find anything small enough to fit on the inside of the ornament, we're going to use a variety of stickers. These are bottle cap stickers, but we think that they'll stick really well to the plastic. These, I'm not 100% sure, but we're going to try. We also have some Christmas letter ones and some Disney themed winter ones like Frozen that we're going to also try to use. A few more things we added to the table was 1 pair of kid scissors to cut the tags off. We're going to use our biggest Christmas coffee mug to hold this open. We're also going to use a bowl to hold this one open, and we're going to use 2 different spoons to dish these out into the funnel. First thing we're going to do is cut the tag off and remove it. Then we're going to carefully pull. Inside of here is like a normal ornament holder where it kind of prongs out, so she's going to carefully pull that out. Awesome. And yeah, that's pretty durable plastic. So then we're going to use the funnel and just use the different ones in different measurements. And remember, this is for all 3 of you. And try to carefully spoon a little bit of each of the fake snow that's going to like be buried in there into the funnel. And this is the part where that comes in as well. And just slowly fill up the ornament. One thing that we found for doing 3 of these ornaments is that you maybe want a second bag of the glitter, because the styrofoam definitely overrides the glitter snow. But I think they're pretty happy with the way they turned out, right? Yeah, they're pretty happy with it. So the last step is, all they're going to do is customize them by putting stickers on the outside of them. Then we'll put a hook on them and show what they look like on the tree. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time.